demonstrate how to use this new PowerShell script that I made that will allow you to replace a driver in Milestone XProtect. That way you don't have to do them one by one in the management client. So what you see here is I just went ahead and opened the PowerShell script right in PowerShell ISE. I'm going to go ahead and run it. And when I run it, it asks me to connect to the XProtect management server. It connects. And then it'll give me a list of all my cameras, including the current driver. So as you can see, most of them are already Axis, but I do have a couple of older Axis drivers here. So I'm just going to select those two. You can do a shift click or a control click to click multiple cameras here. So then we'll click OK. And then this screen, you'll actually select the new driver that you want to replace the old driver with. So in this case, we will choose the Axis dynamic driver here, and we'll click Next. This last screen will ask you to confirm which cameras you actually do want to replace the driver for. So you do have to select them all, so don't just click OK. Again, do a shift click, select all of the cameras here to make sure that they are going to be replaced. And then finally, once you've confirmed, click OK, and then the script will do the work to actually replace the old driver with the new one. So let's give this a second. And there we go. Looks like it's all done. Replacement completed. And then just to test that out and to prove that it actually did work, we'll click Run again. And you'll see that all the drivers have been replaced to the new Axis dynamic driver. There you go. I hope this helps you save a bunch of time. Thanks.